Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Onida AC remote suddenly stops responding, it can be frustrating because you lose direct control over temperature, mode, and fan settings. You might press buttons and see no response from the AC, or the commands only work occasionally. This issue doesn't always mean the remote is faulty most of the time. It's caused by simple factors like weak batteries, signal blockage, or a temporary communication issue between the remote and the AC unit. Since these remotes use infrared signals, even a small obstruction or misalignment can stop them from working properly. The good part is that you can fix this quickly without replacing anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Onida AC remote working again step by step. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. Step 2. Restart the AC unit by turning it off and on. Step 3. Point the remote directly at the AC receiver without obstruction. Step 4. Move closer to the AC to ensure proper signal range. Step 5. Clean the remote buttons and front sensor area. Step 6. Test the remote and confirm the AC responds correctly.